This is a ball and claw foot on a cabriole leg. There are many different styles of ball and claw feet. This is more of a Philadelphia style, and you can have more or less webbing and different little characteristics. You can approach carving it in different ways. Today, I want to try a little bit different way of approaching the carving, a little different than what I normally do, and just to see how it works out. So come along with me. All right, so here we are, and it's pretty well carved out. The shapes are in there. Yesterday I had to stop to get something else done, so I'm back on it today, and we just need to clean it up. Make sure that the ball height is the same around, that the shape from looking down looks good, or from the bottom. The height of the ball is good. You can have more or less webbing here. I kind of like bringing it down a little bit. That's just my personal preference, but whatever works. So I'll just kind of clean it up a little bit. And I've got to put this little swoop in the knuckles, kind of define the nails a little bit. And then it can be left alone with the tool marks, or you could sand it. I usually sand it so it's continuous with the rest of the piece and it all finishes the same, but you can do whatever you want. All right, so let's just clean it up. All right, I'm done. I did a little finish work on it, did some sanding. I think I'm the only person that doesn't mind sanding. I actually like sanding because I like my finish to turn out good, and if you don't prep correctly, then you'll get frustrated in your finish. And I learned a long time ago that it's not worth it. So anyway, this is the final product. This is what we started out with, just a block, and this is the foot. So that's the side. Let's see if I can hold it there. Side, bottom, top, front, back. I'll try and leave some pictures at the end so you can see. All right. Thanks for coming along. Again, it was just for fun. So if you have any questions or whatever, leave them in the comment section and I'll get back with you. So until the next time, you guys take care.